Good morning, students. Today we will be studying about the Neolithic Age. Neolithic Age is the new Stone Age and the third part of our chapter. We will be studying about the Neolithic Age today. The Neolithic Age it started around 10,000 years ago. There was a slow process of the radical change in the history of humanity, and these changes were in the form of agriculture, the tools, the living style, and the taming of fire and the discovery of the wheel, etc. In this era, this happened. The Neolithic Age is the change in the way people lived, and the meaning of Neolithic is the new stone. Neolithic Age was the shift from hunting and gathering to the systematic agriculture. Now, this is the growing of food on a regular basis. Neolithic Revolution. The Neolithic Revolution was the early farmer who domesticated plants and animals and raised them in a controlled way that makes them the best suit for the human use, so that they can suit for the human requirements as per their needs. Now, in the Neolithic Age, the characteristics of this age were the development of farming, the domestication of animals, the use of advanced tools, sharp tools, and lived in the permanent houses, and they started making pots and they started weaving the clothes they needed for. Now, the environmental effects started happening. What were the environmental effects? The use of water resources from the natural water bodies, clearing of lands, use of building materials, making roads, use of fuels and materials, animals, disease, and mining, etc. started happening. Now, after this, they started farming. The way human used to live changed. People no longer had to be the nomads. The food was surplus, which led to the population increase. Farming villages became established along river valleys for their good soil and irrigation, etc. Now, the agricultural revolution happened in the Neolithic Age. Why this happened? Because the people learned to farm. They began to grow their own crops and settled in the villages. Agriculture and domestication of animals. Domestication of the animals was again the major step taken by the human being in the development of the mankind. Now, it's almost started in the somewhere in the Middle East, in the Egypt and Mesopotamia, and what they aided by the animal labor and the irrigation also. In Neolithic times, the people began to stay at one place. They started growing grains and vegetables. Farming began to replace hunting and gathering. People began to domesticate and tame plants for their own use, whereas they started living the settled life. The way of life changed when they started living together and the civilization started taking place, and they started making the laws. They started eating the cooked food, etc. So, in the Neolithic Revolution, which occurred approximately 11,000 years ago to 5,000 years ago. Now, coming back to the domestication of the animals, they started rearing animals for their farming purposes and their traveling purposes. This was before the invention of the wheel. And who all were the first animals which they started domesticating were the goats, sheep, pigs, dogs, cats, cow, etc. and horses. They started traveling on the horses, and they started taking the help of the bulls and oxen for farming also. Now the students discovery of the wheel came. Before the invention of the wheel, early man has to walk on the foot. They would move by walking from one place to another. They generally used tamed animals for riding, covering long distances with very less goods. They lived in small groups in different places. Before invention of wheel, these small groups would remain isolated from other groups. Later they started to carry their burden on the piece of woods. Now the first human being first thought that the round shape objects can roll easily, so he invented the wheel, and he made his first wheel from stone. Now pottery. Coming to pottery, the first human beings started to making the pots and pans to cook food, to store water and to store grains, and these first pots were found somewhere around the near the Egypt, the Nile river, because the Nile was the most fertile and the longest river. So the people started living near to them, and most of the artifacts are still being found from there only. In Neolithic era, the new Stone Age, the other form of the art were the they started making the geometrical shapes and the forms for the description of the people and animal engaged in everyday activities. Abstract art was also found there. Simple lines, drawings, and a little color was added to those shapes and the pictures. Now, animals in the flying gallops. Now coming to the Neolithic age tools, they were more polished and beautiful tools. All the axes were very sharp with the handle of wood, and the blades were also present there. Arrows were made with the help of sharp edges. Ring stones, sickle, plough, harpoons, and mullers, etc., were used at that time for the farming purposes, and for their self defense also from the other animals. They still used to hunt with the help of these tools, and they used to make their houses and their buildings with the help of these tools. And these tools were so modern and they were so good at that point of time. Now when the human beings started, the discovery of the fire was done in the Paleolithic age. And why after the discovery of fire happened in the Paleolithic age, man started using the fire for his own safety and usefulness. But the taming of fire happened in the Neolithic age. The man started to make fire wherever it was required. Where was the use of fire? There were few benefits which were discovered, that why we discovered fire and what was the benefits of the fire. It used to keep the people warm, and it keeps the big and scary animals away from the human beings. He used to cook food on that fire, and after the discovery of fire only, the food became more tastier, easier to chew, and it lasted longer also, and it was more nutritious also. Better nutrition it provided. The use of fire was one of the most important and the biggest milestone in the discovery in the evolution of the mankind. Now after the discovery of fire in Paleolithic age, the men came to know how to tame the fire and how to use the fire as per his requirements. Now achievements of the Stone Age. What were the achievements of the Stone Age? The older Stone Age, when we talk about the inventions of the tools, weapons, were the achievement which happened in the older Stone Age. Mastery of fire, discovery of the fire, then the development of the language, this happened in the older Stone Age. Whereas in the new Stone Age, the making of pottery, growing crops, and raising animals, and all these were the discoveries or the achievements of the new Stone Age which happened in the Neolithic age. Now in Neolithic age, the most important discovery was the discovery of wheel. So Neolithic age, you can say, is the new Stone Age, and in which the most important discoveries happened. Now coming to the difference between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age, where, as you can see in the slide, that when we compare in the terms of food, in Paleolithic age the human was he used to hunt for meat and gather nuts and berries, eggs, insects, and the fruits for his food requirements. Now in Neolithic age, the farmer used to farm for his food requirements, and he used to domesticate the animals for his food requirements. Shelter. In the shelter, the early human being used to live on the branches of the trees, in the caves, or on the open spaces under the sky. Whereas in the Neolithic age, he used to live in the permanent homes near their crops and animals. Clothing. Initial human being in the older stone age used to wear the skin of the animals, the bark of the trees, etc. Whereas in Neolithic age, he started wearing the animal furs and the cloth made of wooden clothes, and he also started knitting, and the use of needle also started in this era only, as this time. Tools. Talking about the tools of the early stone age, they were simple shaped stone tools like cutters and primitive spear tips, etc., and they were not at all sharp at that point of time. But in Neolithic age, the tools were more advanced, and they were made up of sharp stones like bows, and arrows were also there, refined spear tips and harpoons, etc. So if you compare the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age, they are completely different in the terms of discoveries and the use of the things. Now students, for just this class, that's all, and please you all read the chapter carefully, and if you have any queries regarding the chapter or the topic, you can ask me anytime. Students, please take care, be safe, be healthy, and stay at home, and do the exercise given along with the chapter. Do it in your fair notebooks. Good evening, goodbye.